Huh? Did it burn you?
No, it's cold.
Can you believe that killer pop quiz Mr. Benson sprung on us in science class?
It was pure evil.
I thought it was easy.
What's this? Huh? Ooh. Dear Clover, roses are red, violets are blue. I'd like to go to the movies with you.
Oh, a love poem.
Or an attempt at one anyway. Who's it from?
Ah! Daryl. He's been following me around all week.
Clover, what are you doing?
Please, you don't think I would actually date the president of the chess club?
Why not?
I just happen to like guys who are, cooler.
Hi, Clover. Did you get my note?
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not free.
But I didn't even tell you what night I wanted to take you out.
My schedule's kind of tied up, indefinitely.
Oh, I get it. Well, I guess it's true what people say about you.
What do they say?
That you're an ice queen.
An ice queen? That's ridiculous. He obviously doesn't know that I was voted Little Miss Sunshine in 2nd grade.
You crowned yourself Little Miss Sunshine.
Whatever.
Looks like Jerry's taking a cue from Mr. Benson.
I don't know what's worse, a pop quiz or a pop mission.
Hello, girls. How well do you know your ecobiology?
I'd say it's a tie.
This is the island of Fiji.
Fiji? Looks more like Alaska.
They've had some unusual weather conditions lately, including a volcano that spews ice.
Really?
My sentiments exactly. And now the phenomenon seems to be spreading to other equatorial islands as well.
Like the greenhouse effect, only backwards.
The igloo effect.
Exactly. And if these anomalies continue, it could mean disaster for the ecosystem, and eventually for mankind. You'll start your investigation on Zanzibar Island, one of the once tropical locations where the strange occurrence is currently happening. You'll be posing as reporters for Geography International.
Cool. Do we get those tiny tape recorders?
No, but I've gotten you some lovely ballpoint pens. These are superfine dual cartridge heat-seeking sleep darts. They can hit any target in a 100-foot range.
Nice.
And you'll also be needing these. Steel-reinforced Polytech parabrellas, thermodynamic cord-sensitive Tempetrol bracelets, precision lip balm lasers, cherry flavor, and these awful boots.
No kidding. Fur is so last year. Plus, I don't think they'll match my earmuffs.
Awful. AWFUL. All-weather fleece ultralight boots. Awful.
Cool. Skates.
Awesome! I'll get new earmuffs.
Everything looks so peaceful. It's like a winter wonderland.
When Daryl said that everyone says I'm an ice queen, who do you think he means by, everyone?
Everyone at school?
You're at school.
Hey guys, I forget. Which clouds cause storms, cumulus or cirrus?
Alex, will you forget about that quiz for a second? We're trying to discuss my reputation here.
I wasn't talking about the quiz. I was talking about that.
I really don't want to see my lunch again.
What was that?
Looks like hail. We gotta land this thing.
I can't. The wind's too strong.
Don't worry, I've got it.
Hang on, Clover. I got you.
Oh no!
Alex, pull out your parabrella. We're going down.
Not my day. Huh?
You journalists always seem to seek out danger.
Actually, danger seems to seek us out.
Thanks for agreeing to show us around, Mr. Your Mayorness.
Call me Kimba.
And what are your thoughts on these bizarre weather conditions, Mayor Kemba?
If it doesn't change soon, Zanzibar won't be an island. It'll be an iceberg, and you can quote me on that.
Then we better get this mission, article, started.
I have an idea.
I'm glad you journalists know how to adapt to every situation.
It's been getting colder as we move further inland.
That's weird. Normally the coast would be coldest because of the ocean breeze.
Too bad golf carts don't have heaters. I feel like I'm coming down with something.
You know, you're right, Clover. You're not an ice queen. You're a drama queen.
This geyser field is the furthest point inland. Normally it's a bit of a tourist hotspot, if you'll forgive the pun. We get bursts of steam over 7 feet high.
I think I'm beginning to understand what's happening here.
You are?
Yeah, think about it. Ice from volcanoes, ice from geysers, it's all coming from down below, from the center of the Earth.
But I thought the Earth had a molten core. Boy, I really messed up on that quiz.
No, Alex, you're right. In fact, according to my analysis, this piece of ice is actually a chunk of frozen magma.
So something or someone has changed the temperature of the Earth's core.
Looks that way. Now all we need to do is find a way to get below the Earth's surface.
If you can make my car do that, I'll be really impressed. Huh?
Sam, are you okay?
I'm fine. Embarrassed, but fine.
Hey, look at that! It must have come up through the geyser.
Feels like some kind of synthetic fabric. Maybe temperature controlled.
Perfect. A high-tech tissue. Is it me? Or is it getting colder out here?
It's not you. The temperature has dropped 10 degrees since we got here.
We've got to investigate the Earth's core, and fast. Clover, call Jerry. Kemba, we need to have a little teleconference with our editor, but we'll call you if we need anything else for the interview.
You journalists are very dedicated. Let me know when the article comes out.
Hello, ladies. I'm glad you called. There's something I need to show you. I'm afraid the situation has become quite grave. The cold spell is now spreading out from the equator. Temperatures are dropping all over the world. If you don't hurry, the Earth will ice over completely. All life will be destroyed.
Then we need to get beneath the Earth's surface.
The best way would be to go down to the ocean floor and through the Marianas Trench. I'll have a Whoop submarine meet you at the beach ASAP.
Clover, show him that cloth with the weird insignia you used as a tissue.
Scan it in. I'll run it through our database and call you when I know more.
Bless you.
Oh no!
Quick! Activate your boots! Once again, trouble finds us!
Look! There's the submarine!
I could really use some chicken soup right now.
Would you settle for a breath mint? It's all I've got.
Oh, great. Winter fresh.
We're heading into the trench.
What's that rock formation up ahead?
I don't know, but I think we just hit it.
Hey, weird. There's that symbol again.
That'll be Jerry.
I've got the information on the sample you sent, Spies. The insignia appears to be the trademark of a research scientist named Dr. Jolie, the world's leading authority on global warming. He took a leave of absence last year and he hasn't been seen or heard from for months.
That's strange.
Indeed. Oh, and Clover, make sure to drink plenty of liquids. Seems you have a bit of a cold.
Thanks for the tip.
Now hurry, girls. The fate of the world is depending on you.
Boy, he really knows how to lay on the pressure, doesn't he?
What's that?
It looks like we're being attacked.
He's trying to sink us! What are we gonna do? Hey, where'd he go?
The sea's turning to ice.
We've gotta hurry or we'll be crushed!
Hurry, where? We can't go anywhere with this big rock in front of us.
Huh? It's the door!
Come on, let's get out of here.
What do you think this place is?
Looks can be deceiving.
My compounder! She shoots! She scores! Alex, look out! Thanks, Sam. What do we do now?
I don't know how much further I could go. I'm ready to fever.
You're probably the hottest thing on our planet right now.
If I weren't so sick, I'd totally take that as a compliment. This ice feels good. Looks like Dr. Jolie's been busy.
This must be what he's using to cool the Earth. Now, if we can just figure out how to reverse it.
I wouldn't touch that if I were you.
Dr. Jolie?
The one and only. I suppose you girls are here to save the world.
Well, that was the general plan.
Oh, how caring and decent of you. It's too bad you won't succeed. Allow me to introduce to you my research assistants.
I think we've already met.
You're not gonna get away with this, you know.
On the contrary, I already have. If you look at the monitors, I think you'll see that the world is experiencing a bit of a cold snap.
Why are you doing this?
I've spent my career researching the damage humans have done to this planet. Pollution, the depletion of the ozone, destroying Earth's natural resources. And I've come to realize that you people don't deserve it. So, I'm taking the planet back to the Ice Age.
But you'll freeze along with us.
Well, your concern is touching, my dear, but not to worry. I have a little safe house tucked away where I'll sit out the storm. Then, when everything has been destroyed, I'll use a remote control to reverse this device and rewarm the Earth.
You'd be kind of lonely living on the planet all by yourself.
Well, I'm a bit of a loner by nature. But now that you mention it, a little companionship couldn't hurt. Do you play chess? No matter. I'll teach you. Boys, bring the blonde. She seems like the perfect ice queen. As for you two, I'm afraid you'll be spending the rest of eternity in deep freeze, here at the center of the Earth. Now we must hurry. In 20 minutes, the Earth will be completely frozen over.
chilling out.
Yeah, thank goodness for these lip balm lasers.
No kidding. My lips are seriously chapped. Ah!
Come on, we gotta find a way to shut that machine down. Oh no, it won't budge. It's like the dial's locked in place or something.
Sam, look, we're too late.
No, we can't give up. Dr. Jalil said we had 20 minutes before the Earth freezes over completely. We've got to find him and Clover.
How do you suppose we get that pod back?
Any idea how this thing works?
Maybe you need some kind of key or something.
Looks like we're pre-programmed to go straight to the North Pole.
I hope there's no loop-de-loops. Those things make me sick.
I think we might have a more serious problem. According to this, the exit is iced over.
We could use our lasers.
I got a better idea. Hold on to your hat. If I knew we were visiting the North Pole, I would have brought my Christmas list.
Yeah, and you could have delivered it directly to Santa's workshop. This must be Dr. Jalil's ice hideaway.
You okay?
Yeah, fine. I just tripped over this snowbank. Run! I thought everything was supposed to be frozen over.
Guess he didn't get the memo. Nothing like the power of the pen. Now we just have to find a way inside. Can you skate a figure eight?
Sure, why?
Checkmate. I win again.
This is gonna be a long ice age.
Ha! Sorry to interrupt your game.
That's okay. I was losing anyway.
No! No, you've ruined everything. Don't you understand that we'll freeze in here?
Unless you deactivate your freeze ray.
Not my life's work. I won't do it. Get them!
Check me, Dr. Jalil.
No, I refuse to give up.
Got it!
You evil little germ spreader. You've given me your cold.
No one can call you an ice queen now, Clover. You're warming up the entire planet.
No!
Look on the bright side. You'll have plenty of time to work on your chess game in prison.
It was really sweet of Kemba to send us these shirts.
He didn't even care when I told him the article was cut. He was just happy to have the warm weather back.
Look, there's Daryl. Maybe he's writing you another poem.
I'll be right back.
Where are you going?
To ask Daryl out.
I thought you said he wasn't cool enough for you.
Okay, I've had it with the cool and cold and freezing, and I plan to end this Ice Queen thing here and now.
Ah.
Hi, Daryl.
Hey, Clover.
Listen, Daryl, I'm really sorry about what I said the other day, and I'd love to go out with you sometime.
Sorry, Clover, but my schedule's kind of tied up.